Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS borders, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border sites. The CSS border sites, let's call it CSS border individual sites. Yes, the CSS border of individual sites. From the examples in our previous tutorials, you have seen that it is possible to specify a different border for each site. In CSS, there are also properties for specifying each of the borders: top, right, bottom, and left. In our previous tutorial, where we discussed about the CSS border sites individually, I explained deep ways in which you can change your border sites, in which you can manipulate different sides of the borders. But right here, in this our tutorial here, we are now confirming that there are some properties also which we can use to specify each of the borders, like the border top, or the border to the right, or the border at the bottom, or the border at the left. So this is what we are going to be exploring: the individual sites in deep details. And while akorede ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys in the next tutorial. I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.